Hello everyone, how are you all? Let us come back to our financial institutions and market. Now today we are going to cover up our first module, that is your financial system designs. Now financial system design. In this we are going to basically understand what are the different systems and what are the designs under which your financial systems are running. Now, these are some of the parts of designs through which they are been occurring through. Now, bank-based versus the market-based economies. Now, there is a difference between the market-based and the bank-based. Now, in countries like, we will discuss about few of the examples of Japan, France, Germany, UK, US, where they are 20% of the finance they are getting it from the corporate finance, and it is based on the bank are making significant efforts to develop the relationship between the banking culture. So अगर मैं जापान, फ्रांस और जर्मनी की बात करूँ तो they are having a bank based finance or the economy where the terms are being there for a longer period of time. They are having preferential interest rates, they are having the proper clients, good history, they are having the bank based of economies where their economy is absolutely run by the banks and the other institutes. There are also few of the countries जहाँ पे borrowings and lending activities are taken place at a through organized market, जो हमने earlier आपके few of the मॉड्यूल से बात की थी. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मार्केट के थ्रू वो लोग पैसे अरेंज करते हैं एंड रन करते हैं अपने फाइनेंसेस को. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस टॉक अबाउट योर लंदन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, दैट इज यूके, न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. ये सब जगह पे यूएसए, ये सब जगह पे दे आर हैविंग मार्केट बेस्ड इकोनॉमी. सो प्लीज वी आर हैविंग टू टाइप्स ऑफ मार्केट्स, दैट इज योर मार्केट बेस्ड इकोनॉमी एंड वन इज योर बैंक बेस्ड इकोनॉमी. Now, when I am talking about the bank-based economy, let us first discuss about that. The main elements of the Japan's financial system. अभी हम लोग है ना basically दो फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम की बात करेंगे. एक तो जापान की फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम की एंड दूसरा हम यूके के फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम की बात करेंगे. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेन एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द जापान्स फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम, दे आर मच सेम एज दोज टू द मेजर industrialized nations. Now they are having proper commercial bank system, they are having proper acceptance of the deposit, extents of the loans, and having the business dealing with the various foreign exchange. They are accepting deposits from over the financial institution. They are having funds which are being funds and securities which are being raised by the companies directly to the bank, and the brokerage and other services are being taken through the government securities. So basically they are going to be called as your bank based securities, where the liquidity of the fund or each and everything or the pooling of the different funds are being done through the bank. Now see, they are running this particular sector as a long time back since 1980s. So 1980s say, and basically in the 1990, in the 5 years plan, they actually arranged this particular economy at a very much high scale. And since then the international Japan Bank for International Corporation, they tried to arrange for those particular possibility where the development of the countries, different countries took place through the banks, commercial banks and everything. So Japan was one of the country who provided the many of its developing countries to participate into there, where the export and import was being done through the banks, and the government took the initiative to raising up their capital through the banks channels, and they are providing. So they were having, although the participation is possibility greater in this particular sector in Japan, because they set up an international corporation which was being governed by the government of theirs. They have got together they have city banks, 12 commercial banks at the larger cities, regional banks they are having at the total 63 local banks they are having, savings and loan institutions they are having approximately more than 71, institutional banks they are having more than 3 to 4 more institutional banks they are having. So these are the different areas through which they are raising the fund every now and then. Now having said that, Let us move. Even they are having the trust bank, which are more than 6 to 7 trust bank, post saving bureaus, postal saving bureaus, then no banks of the Japan nationalized and central bank, which are been absolutely run by the government. Then the banks of Tokyo, insurance companies, security firms. What are these? These are the different institutions through which the finance was being generated. Examples which we have discussed right now were those of the banks or the financial system through which in Japan the bank based economy was being running through. Now let us something discuss about the UK. The economy of the United Kingdom is the 5th largest national economy in the world. Now this measured by the nominal gross domestic product, GDP जो हम बोलते हैं, उसके थ्रू इसको कैलकुलेट किया गया था. Now 9th largest measured by the purchasing power, PPP अगर जिसको बात है, purchasing power planning और parity, purchasing power parity जिसको बोला जाता है, and 19th largest by the GDP per capita income. So overall you can say the economy of the UK is considered to be the one of the largest one. Now when I am talking about the GDP of the UK, now that is run on based on the market, the stock market through which the investors, the intermediaries of different financial institutions through which the market is generating money. Now it has been since long. I can just distinguish it between the pre 2016 and present day after 2016. That means to say the market overall has kept on changing because the fluctuating market which is there, the stock market which keeps on fluctuating every now and then, depending upon that the financial system of the UK is being run. So absolutely that is a market based, and depending even the collaboration with the banks also. Then financial system designed by the USA. Now when I am talking about the banking in the USA is absolutely been regulated by both the federal and the state government. Both the federal and the state government they are, and again it is considered to be the 5 largest banks in the United States. At the in the year 2011 it was been decided that JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and your even the Goldman and the one more part was there which was been considered to be the 5 most largest banks. Now these banks are been having the assets were equally to 56% of the US economy. So agar 56% US economy is from the bank, then rest of the 43% was compared to the earlier 5 years earlier, which was compared to the money market, or I can say the market based on the market based economy. Now the US finance industry is comprised of 10% of the total non-farm business profit since the year before our independence. So basically it is not just the one type of finance which has been running, it is having a federal system both which is being regulated by the union, which is having the administrative of the national, plus the banks which are getting the finance from the nationalized government and all, plus at the same time they are getting the finance from the economy or from the money market also. So basically all I just want to say, the system of the financial system what we are talking about, it is not has to be just dependent upon the one sector. It has to be curved from the different designs through which we can develop our economy in a right manner, and we can run our business for a long period of time. This was all about your financial system, and with this we have finished up with your concept of your financial institutions and market. Thank you.